pristine wilderness. Yet a landscape that has been cultivated by man for centuries. This mountain range has peaks of over 2,000 meters high. When fog descends, it's a place that feels like another world. But these seemingly never-ending ridges belong to the Austrian Alps. A place alive with natural secrets that the wild creatures share. Millions of years of history make this an ancient land, where the green summits seem to magically hang between heaven and earth. The Nock Mountains.